Hi, I'm Laird Garner, one of the senior partners here at Tekva, and we are going to take a few moments here to look at some 2D codes and the camera phone code scanning software that's available. Just take a real quick look and comparison at it. It's not going to be real scientific, but just to give you an idea of how they work and what they're capable of doing. So, here we go. For the sake of this demo, we're going to use my Motorola Q in Sprint, and we're going to start with is Scan-by ScanLife application. And so I will just pull it up here real quick. Just see how it loads, and then some of the codes that are available. This is an indirect code, which basically means that it's essentially just a pointer to their servers where the information is that we're going to be pulling down. So you can see it pulled up. It's using the camera in the camera phone as the reader, and then I'll let this refocus a little bit over here. These are just a couple of different codes that I created. The first one up here is for preloading an SMS message. So pull this over here. And you'll see that it automatically recognized it. It didn't have to take a picture or with the camera or anything. Just by putting that red box over there, it was able to find it. And this is the text then that's available on their server. Again, it's as a text message. There's in the neighborhood of 160 characters, a little less, that's available that you can put into text message. And what it did then was automatically load up it into my text messaging application. So now then, if I want to go ahead and send it in or forward it to whoever I wanted to forward it to, I could just push that single button to do that. So doing that pulls the app back up then again, and I'll go over here, and this one takes you to a specific website address, which is our demo site at Tekva. So again, what it's doing is launching Internet Explorer and going directly to the website, and there's the text message that just came in. As part of that, forwarded it actually directly to me. So that takes to the demo site, and it's just a typical mobile website. It's got links to some of our blog postings that we have. So that's specifically how Scan-by works, in the speed and the 2D code scanning in general operates at. When in the indirect mode, again, what it had to do was go back to the Scan-by servers in order to pull the URL. There's nothing. The only thing that's embedded in these codes is a specific alphanumeric. Actually, I think in this case it's a numeric code that correlates to where it's located on their servers. So that's how Scan-by works. Now we're going to take a look at Microsoft's tag reader application. So I'm just going to launch it here. Loads fairly quickly. Again, it's also an indirect code that uses an indirect system that uses a color code that's proprietary to Microsoft. And again, it's kind of what they call their beta condition right now, so you can go out and create different things for free. So again, go over here onto my little chart. This first one up here is their free text use on that use case. And again, you don't have to take a picture. It recognizes it when it's in within that red box that you saw, again using the camera phone. And this just has the text that I put in as part of creating this particular tag. So again, all this does is have a kicks back information or whatever you might want, up to 200 characters that is in that for you to save or whatever. So then go back to the camera and come back and get this other code that's up here. In this case, again, it launches in the internet browser, and again fairly quickly then just redirects to to our Tech4Web site as part of that demo. So that's how the Microsoft tag works.